the last 2 weeks, there is a lot of news making rounds about investments in mutual funds done by NRIs not getting taxed in India. How much is it true? It is true in some cases, but not for all. This is true only in the case of NRIs which reside in countries which have a double taxation avoidance agreement, which is DTAA with India. Only in such cases, the gains which they make in mutual fund investments in India will not be taxed in India, and it will be taxed only in the country which they reside. For example, in the case of NRIs living in UAE, Kuwait, Singapore, and several other countries, there is no capital gains tax charged by these respective countries also. When they make investments in India also the gains are not taxed, and even those countries as well as doesn't tax. So what happens is, ultimately the investments they make in mutual funds when it comes to NRIs of these countries is going to be absolutely tax free. And there is some essential requirement for this. Only if these NRIs provide a tax residency certificate or a TRC, then the mutual funds would not deduct TDS or tax. However, countries like US, Canada, and several other countries do not have a DTAA with India, and NRIs from these countries, when they invest in mutual funds in India, the capital gains will be taxed and TDS will be deducted, and only the balance is paid to the investor.